Sabi, how are you?
I'm doing fine.
Okay, so are you wearing one of the hair products?
Yes, I am. I have one in my hair.
Turn around, let's look at it. Okay. This is a Sabi wearing the diffrent symbol. Okay.
Yeah, this one means girl on girl. And these are two other ones here for Pride.
For Pride. Okay.
These are our buckles that we're using for fundraisers for Circle of Voices.
Okay, okay. So what you guys got going on there now?
Right now we have a couple fundraisers going on. We're on Facebook. We got information. We have our raffle for $1. And this is Kaz, who's in charge.
Hi, darling. Welcome to the Gay and Lesbian Expo, number 17 here in New York, Jacob Javits Center.
Work it out.
Circle of Voices.
Okay, okay. And what is your website?
I don't have a website. I'm just working
Circle
out
of Voices.
How will we get in touch with you?
Circle of Voices.
through Circle of Voices or my card.
Okay, we got the card here.
And the phone number is on there.
Okay.
Or Circle of Voices.
Or through Circle of Voices on Facebook.
On Facebook. Okay, well, thank you for being back on the show.
Thank you.